Hey guys, I'm back, and today we're going to answer the question, is keto only good short term? Okay, and you see this like in the news and certain web articles where, yeah, keto works, but only short term. And their rationale is because keto is a high-fat diet, and ketones are acidic. So yes, you're going to lose weight, you're going to feel great, but then you're going to become too acidic, and that is not healthy. Okay, that's the argument. So let's just kind of cover some points about that. Well, first of all, you have essential nutrients, like essential fatty acids, which, by the way, come from plant-based type diets. And they're essential, which means your body can't make it, so it must get it from the diet, right? So, I mean, these are acids. Amino acids can come from plant-based type foods. That's an acid. Should you avoid all that? No, these are essential, okay? You also have bacteria in your gut that make lactic acid. Should we just kill that out so we can actually prevent becoming acidic? Certain parts of your body are acidic and certain parts are alkaline. Your stomach is very acidic, your large bowel is acidic, your urine should be acidic for very specific reasons. So we don't want to alkalize all the parts of our body, okay, and just focus on one pH. I mean, there are plant-based foods that are acidic. Citrus is an acid, tomato is acid, pineapple is acid. And then you have diabetics who develop acidosis because of too much sugar, too much carbohydrate. They don't just consume too much fat, they get it from too much carbohydrate. In fact, you can increase cortisol and have a lot of that stress hormone be active and develop alkalosis. Okay, so we don't want to go too far one way or the other. So the bigger point I want to talk about is to differentiate between the traditional ketosis, which was recommended for kids with epilepsy, which was like certain oils and low quality fats, and they did not recommend a lot of vegetables, and something called healthy ketosis, which is very different. It's not the same, even though it has ketosis in it, okay? When we do healthy ketosis, we're recommending 7 to 10 cups of vegetables. That's going to counter any problem with this acid. And there's just as many problems with a vegan diet, especially if someone doesn't know how to get their B12, their vitamin A, other fat-soluble vitamins. They can become deficient long term. So what we want to do is we want to combine the best of both worlds. A lot of vegetables and moderate amount of animal protein and healthy fats. And that way, keto can be very beneficial to you long term. Hey guys, so I'm doing a survey of a future video, and I wanted to find out what your biggest body problem is. So that way, the content is aligning with something that you are personally interested in. So please click the link down below, fill it out, and I will create the video. Thanks.